Good morning, and I'm on day 2 at Enquiry. So I just woke up and getting ready soon to go down for breakfast. But so far,
guys, I don't know what I was talking about, but not that bad. There's nothing bad about this hotel. It is great.
But there's no but really. So I'm just waiting to go downstairs for breakfast. Breakfast is 7 o'clock. Breakfast is 7. Our breakfast is 8 o'clock. I'm not really sure, but it's like after 7 now. So I'm waiting to do that. But the view is nice. I'm going to be showing you guys the morning view from where I am staying, basically. This is the view from the 7th floor. So I'm on the 7th floor. So I'm going to show you the view from the 7th floor. But don't watch my morning voice. Don't watch my morning face. I'm still cute. So I'm going to be showing you guys the view from the 7th floor. This is the ocean view. 7th floor, ocean view. So let's show you guys what that looks like. So guys, now that you see the view and everything, so I'm going to be showing you guys my morning routine of what I do before I go down for breakfast. It's nothing special or anything, just showing you guys, so come along with me. Down now. So this is what it's just a t-shirt top with my jean shorts. So I'm going down now. So I'll see you guys at the buffet. That's the cappuccino. So we made a stop before we head to the buffet. So I'm gonna get some coffee and all of that, and then I go and
check out the breakfast stand because I can't eat so early. So I'm trying to delay the time before I go for breakfast, really. So these are some of the pastries that they have in the coffee stand. I just want to see though, I'm not going to be eating any sandwich or anything because, as I said, I can't eat this early because now it's like, what, 5 minutes to 8. But I'm just showing you guys what's at the coffee stand. And you get some ice cream if you want, for all the ice cream lovers. So you have chocolate, you have strawberry, you have pistachio, you have a tons of flavors. So yeah. And there's a seating.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of the way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
So this is a bathroom. You get a he's on earth. He's on earth, yes. So you have your side. Your significant other have their side. That's the shower. And that's what it's looking like. So, and you do get, guess what, guys? In the governor's suite. And that's the toilet. It's just like our room, the standard room, except in the governor's suite you do get a jacuzzi. Yay! So there you can go into the jacuzzi from both sides, from the room itself, or you can go into the bathroom. And you do get your closets and you get your safe and everything. So you get your robe. The closet over the governor's side is much more bigger than the closet over by the standard room. It's really nice. That's the safe. You do get your iron board, you get your iron, you get your robe, you get your slippers. So you can see it's a bit bigger. You get your, and you see that's the closet right there. And the room is just nice. Like, it's really nice. It's huge. As I say, you get the living area and then you get the room. So you can have someone over and they stay in the living room, or you can have gathering in your living room or anything like that. You get a little free gift. So you see that little bag, and so that's the room. It's really nice. Like, it's really, really nice, guys. So for those who can afford to stay in the governor's suite, you can try it out. And this is the view. As you see, this is the ocean view from the governor's suite. It's really, really nice, guys. So this is part of my day. So we got to view the governor's suite, and you know they have different suites, but this is the governor's suite. So after this we went straight into some activities. We went on the slides, we went in the pool, we went on the go-kart. We did have so much fun. Like, I'm loving it here. Loving it. Dinner because I was still full from breakfast, and dinner is from 6 o'clock to 11 o'clock. We also had some band. We had live band while eating, and I did enjoy myself. It was a great day. Like, share, and comment.